What if we were to change our perspective? What if we were to look at things through a different lens? What if we were to rethink church? What if church was less about appearance and more about integrity? What if church was less about the people on the inside and was more about the people outside its doors? The people who Jesus sees as valuable and loved? What if we cared less about who was wearing a hat in the sanctuary and more about the stories of those who were wearing them? What if we were to rethink church? What if instead of seeing the Bible as a textbook or a history book, we truly saw it as God's words of life? What if church was less about Sunday and more about the other 6? What if after church had less to do with this, or this, and had far more to do with this? And what if we took all the money we were spending on this, and this, and this, and this, and redirected it towards Him or them? What if our money was seen less as ours and more His? Is it even our money? What if we were to rethink church? What if we talked less to people about our denomination and much more about our transformation? What if we talked less about stuff and more about Jesus? What if we just stopped talking so much and were quiet enough to listen to somebody instead? What if you were to rethink church? What if church was how you acted at work, at school, and this? What if church was less about institution, programs, attendance, and had far more to do with revolution? What if you were to rethink church? What if it had nothing to do with traditional versus contemporary, or do you speak in tongues, or do your hands reach the ceiling when you worship expressively? What if it was less about styles, preferences, logistics, and had everything to do with character, follow through, whatever Jesus was talking about in the scriptures? It's time to rethink church.